South pole of the moon to women breaking barriers with a parliament passing women's reservation bill.
Launching our first solo mission to hosting the 18th G20 meetup.
Rescuing the Salkyara victim, tragic Bahanaga accident, to the heartbreak of watching Team India lose the World Cup.
2023 was a roller coaster for the entire nation, but has now become another chapter in the books of history.
But knock knock, 2024 is here.
Another year, another chapter, another box of unwrapped surprises.
Irrespective of all the challenges that we have faced and are about to face, the homecoming of Lord Shri Ram gave all of us enormous strength and power to keep our hopes high.
Because he himself has confirmed that this year is going to bring us prosperity and happiness with much pomp and grandeur.
On that note, I, Shani Mishra,
And I, Abhijit, welcome you all to this glorious evening of everlasting joy.
although we have millions of phrases to greet you all, still we would like to go in a traditional manner.
Jai Jagannath. Hello, hi Chadantu, Jai Jagannath Kuhantu. Now that's the way we should start the show.
After showcasing our athleticism in Ahvan,
And grinding our intelligent minds in Anvesh, we are now ready to complete our Utsav by flaunting our artistic abilities.
so without wasting any more time, we welcome you all to the biggest celebration of Geeta Autonomous College Bhubaneswar's annual fest, Akansha 2024.
To the thousands of hearts singing tonight,
To the thousands of minds dreaming tonight,
to the thousands of bodies grooving tonight, let the celebration begin.
Odisha, a land rich in culture, fine arts, immense talent, authenticity in an abundance. And what represents all of them is Odissi. Odissi is one of the 8 Indian classical dance forms which is honored around the world for its lyricism, sensuality, and emphasis on Bhakti Bhav.
In Odissi, every movement tells a story. Every gesture expresses an emotion.
We are delighted to present our finest Odissi dancer to perform the first performance of this evening, Shiva Panchaksha.
Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Kebalya and team for the first performance of the evening.
ॐ नमः शिवाय ॐ नमः शिवाय हारमुज्ज्वल मस्तकोज्ज्वल शोभितम् चूर्णकुन्तल नेत्रमुज्ज्वल हारमुज्ज्वल मस्तकोज्ज्वल शोभितम् चूर्णकुन्तल नेत्रमुज्ज्वल चन्द्र शीतल भासितौ हस्तनिर्मल दण्डत्रिशूल भाले कौस्तुभ धारितौ हस्तनिर्मल दण्डत्रिशूल भाले कौस्तुभ धारितौ हे शिवापति पार्वती पति त्राहि मा भव सागरौ त्राहि मा भव सागरौ भूषितं भस्मलेपन चर्मधारण सूर्य योग साधन साधितं योग साधन साधितं पंचानन काममर्दन योग साधन साधितं योग साधन साधितं साधन साधितौ हे शिवपति पार्वती पति त्राहि मा भव सागरौ त्राहि मा भव सागरौ त्राहि मा भव सागरौ हे शिवपति पार्वती पति त्राहि मा भव सागरौ